Hi guys, good morning. This is Amelia Frank. Welcome back to my channel. This morning I will make my health shake or energy drink. And I will make 4 different kinds of it. So I have here oatmeal, moringa powder, 1 cup of coffee and cream, honey, and blueberry. So I will start with oatmeal. 1/2 cup. And I will put the coffee. I'm gonna let this soak for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I will put the moringa powder, 1 full teaspoon. As you can see, it's very full. 1 full teaspoon. And 1/3 cup of blueberries, or 1 handful, and honey, 1 full tablespoon of honey. Okay, and I will start the blender. Put it in grind first. And then puree. That's not puree, that's pulse. After I blend it, excuse me, after I blend it, I will put it here and put it in the fridge, or let me just try it. It's good. I don't even have to put it in the fridge. I want to drink it now. There's a little, like, the balat of oats. And because my friend doesn't want coffee, I will make green tea. I'll put the oats and then 1 cup of green tea without sugar. And I'm gonna let it soak for about 5 minutes again. I can do exercise while waiting. So I left it more than 5 minutes, but it's okay because the oats makes it more softer. And so I will put the banana, like banana and the moringa powder, 1 full teaspoon. This is good for you, moringa powder. And honey, 1 tablespoon. So grind it first. And then liquefy. I will put it here lid container. Fill it up. That way there's no oxygen coming out. That's what they said. Put the lid on. And I have to wash or rinse it. Rinse this. That way I can make my third one. And this is the third one. I will make avocado. Half of avocado with oats. 1 ounce. 1/2 cup. And 1 cup of water. I just put the regular water and just soak it for 5 minutes. So after more than 5 minutes, I always past 5 minutes, I will put the avocado. One more. And 1 full teaspoon of moringa powder. 1 tablespoon of honey. And start it. Put the lid and fry first. I have to yell, liquefy it. That's it. So this is the avocado. My health shake with avocado. I was gonna stir it. And the leftover, I will drink it. Yummy. Put the lid. Airtight lid container. And put it in the fridge. And this is my 4th health shake or energy drink. I washed the apple already, so I'm gonna cut it now. So I take the seeds out of the apple and cut it in small pieces. And these are all the apples. I will start now. I will put the oats here and the green tea. And cover and let it sit for 5 minutes or more. Less than 10 minutes. So it's 5 minutes. I can add the apple now. 1 apple and the moringa powder. 1 teaspoon. Full teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of honey. And I can start it now. Liquefy it. put in a jar. And this is my smoothie health shake or energy drink. I will put ground walnuts on top. Just add a little bit more. And cover it. I can put it in the fridge and I can drink the rest of it. So this is how I make my energy drink or health shake. I hope you like my video today and see you on my next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video and you have a wonderful day.